In this video, we are going to learn how to create a dashboard from Excel. In previous video, we learned what is Power BI and how to install Power BI desktop. So, uh, so we have this sales file. So with the help of this Excel, we are going to prepare a sales dashboard. So in this sales file, we have a table from for 2 years, 2020 and 2019. So it contains around 23 columns and around 5,000 rows. And the data is bill date wise, party name, place, salesperson, description, quantity, and numbers, rate, taxable value, category, cost, and some percentages and profit. Okay. So this is the sample file. So with this Excel, we are going to create some visuals in Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI desktop app, create a new page here. First save it as sales dashboard. Okay, so once it's saved, go to home tab. In home tab, we have get data to import data from various sources. So if you so there are common data sources which are available here. So if you click on more, so in this if you click on more, you will get various options to import data from Excel or from various other sources like Azure, ODBC, or from website, CSV, etc. So here we go. So in this get data option, we have file option, we have database option, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and others. So these are the various data sets available from which we can import data and create a dashboard. Uh, so first we will try with simple Excel file. So if you go into this file, you have this Excel. So select Excel and click on connect. So this will give an option to import your sales file. Select the sales file and click on open. So this will load the data in the Power Query. So once you click on select the file, it will show you the Navigator window. Here you can see there are two uh, sales sheets available. So one is with the table icon and one is with the sheet icon. So our data was stored in a tabular format, which the name is sales and the sheet name is sheet 1. That's why it is showing as sales and sheet. We are going to import from the table. So select the sales table and it will show a preview of the data. Now click on load. So it will take few seconds to load the data depending upon the size of the file. So with Power BI, we can connect with uh, Excel. We can connect with multiple Excel files at one time also. So once this is done, it gets populated in the fields pane on the right hand side. So as you can see, the sales and the columns are available in the fields pane. And now we can create a simple dashboard with populating visuals. Uh, so we will go to the visualization pane, and from visualization pane, we will first take a stacked column chart and select category. So when you select a stacked column chart, you get options of axis, legend, values, and tooltips. So in the axis, we will select category, and in the values, we will select taxable value. So it will populate the uh, stacked column chart. So this is how it looks. So furniture, hardware, stationery, and cutlery. And if I want to show the data labels, I can go to the format tab, and I will put some data labels. Okay, and I will go to back to the report. Now I will put some more visuals in this. So let's select. So once you select this, if you want to add one more chart, select anywhere outside the visual like this, and I will select another stacked bar chart, and I will bring it here, and I will select party name and taxable value, and I will give the data tables. Okay, next I will input a map. So I have a place column, so I can input a map here. So field map, and I will put select place and taxable value. So if you see here, so it got plotted all over the maps. So if you hover your mouse over a particular region, it will plot the data on that particular state or city depending upon your data set. Now let's plot another chart. uh, so we have description of goods, so I will plot a stacked column, and I will select description of goods and taxable value. Okay, and let's plot data labels. And next we will plot slicer. So click anywhere outside here, and so slicer is available here in visualization pane. So this is the icon for slicer. Select this, reduce the size, go to year column and select year. You can change the to a list. Okay, now I will input one more slicer for month. So I will select month name. Okay, and one more slicer for salesperson. Okay, now I would like to insert a play card. So here is a play card. I will move it to the right hand side on the top, and select taxable value so that I can see the total taxable value. Now here in the blank space, I will put up a text box so that I can name it. Text box. I will write a name here as sales dashboard. I will bring it to middle, make it bold, increase the size of the text. We will give it a background, and we will change the font color. Okay, so here we go. We have a interactive dashboard ready for sales dashboard. So I will just minimize this field pane so it looks little bigger. Okay, so if you see, I have a category. So if I want to check for 2020, all my charts will get filtered to that particular year. So as you can see here, and if I select any of salesperson, so in this way it will change the visuals available in the chart. So for both the years, I want to see for May, and in the furniture category. So in this way it will filter out entire dashboard. You can name this page as overview. Okay, so in this way we have created a simple dashboard from an Excel file. So thank you.